Let's talk about refinances. Refinances have re-entered the conversation with all of the talk out there right now about rates lowering or potentially lowering more. There's a lot of conversation happening about refis. So, what types are out there and what do they mean? Well, the first one I'll talk about is your basic rate and term refinance. This is going to be the best interest rate option you can do. It means you're not really taking out money or getting cash back. You can actually get a little bit of money back. You're not taking cash out significantly from the mortgage. Also, whether you do a rate and term refinance or a cash out refinance or even a HELOC, any type of refinance, most of the time we are going to roll in the closing costs with the exception of the appraisal if you need one. A lot of times you actually don't need one, or you may just need a recertification. But you want to really pay for your closing costs out of pocket, by all means, feel free to. It makes the most sense if your end goal is to pay off your mortgage as quickly as possible. In that case, I would definitely pay for your closing costs and prepaids out of pocket. Otherwise, you can easily roll them into the loan, and that's not a problem whatsoever. Okay, second type of refinance then is a cash out refinance. So how this works is that you can basically take cash out of the equity of your home up to 80% of the value of your home. You cannot go above that 80% mark. Okay, so for example, if your home is worth $100,000, just to make things easy, you can only get total loans on that property up to $80,000. You're cut off after that, including any rolled in closing costs and prepaids. So now with a HELOC, for example, sometimes you can actually go higher, but a HELOC is a little bit of a different story. That is a second lien. But with a cash out refinance on a conventional or FHA, you're capped at that 80%. And lastly, keep in mind, we do HELOCs. So we're still going to have that available if that's really what you want to do. Again, it's a second lien against the property. I can instantly get you a quote with a soft credit check. We just plug it in. There's no appraisal. Very, very minimal documentation. I don't think I've ever had anyone have to actually turn in paper documentation for this. We can fund them in 5 to 7 days. Super quick money. If you have any questions on any of those, please let me know. Otherwise, I would love to help if you or someone you know needs to purchase or refinance at any point. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.